Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian D. Mendoza at ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, March 31, 2025. Ngayong araw po ay ating tutuloy ating series. Ito po ay isang seminary edition. Specifically, ang topic po natin for today is about elders. So, ikaw ba ay tunay na leader o lidera? Ang ating talata po ay magagaling sa Acts chapter 20, verse 17. Sabi po dito, basahin ko po. And letters Paul sent to Ephesus for the elders of the church. So ngayon upang natin mas maunawaan kung ano ibig sabihin ng talatang ito, at upang mas maintindihan natin ang ating devotion for today, ngayon po tayo po idadako sa ating mga teaching. So meron po tayong tatlong katunguan. Una po, sabi po dito, basahin ko po, it is primarily a function, not just a title. So yung leadership po, hindi po siya na-define as position or title. Kasi yung leadership po, it is about the responsibility to guide, to influence, and to serve others. So yung role po ng isang leader is to fulfill their duties, not just simply carry the name leader. So ikalawa po, it is primarily about morality, not just skills. So yung leadership po, it is rooted in character and integrity. So yung skills po, even though it is important, a leader's action must align with moral values. So ang isang leader po dapat nag-i-inspire, nagbibigay ng trust, and nire-respeto yung mga ethical things, not just their abilities. Ikatlo po, it is primarily about serving, not being served. So ang isang totoong leader, dapat nagsiserve ka. So not just seeking personal gain, but dapat ikaw yung dudulot ng gain para sa ibang tao. So yung leaders dapat nakafocus sila on uplifting and empowering those daily, prioritizing their needs over their own. So ngayon po tayo pwede dako sa ating mga application. So una po, lead according to your own God-given capacity. So each leader po, they are given unique talents and strengths. So dapat you lead in a way na nagre-reflect sa personal gifts mo and calling. So tiwala ka sa capacity na binigay at insenyo sa iyo ng Diyos for the purpose you're meant to fulfill. Ikaw po, lead as a messenger who is the message. So ang isang leader po, they should embody the values and principles they teach. So dapat yung mga tinuturo mo nagre-reflect na, or nakikita